All right, y'all, so I decided after having some Chick-fil-A for breakfast to straighten Sky's hair. My best friend from Japan over at Whitaker's Way, if you haven't checked her out, check her out. She sent me over a couple months ago this Salonia hair brush. It's actually not just a brush, it is a straightener. So I'm going to show you guys how it works on Skylar's hair, because she had asked me to re-straighten it from when my mom did it before Christmas happened. All right, so I'm using Silk Elements Strengthened Silk. This is coconut cream. It's a heat protection that has coconut oil and silk in it. Got this from Sally's. So I parted it like this. I'll actually show you guys how it looks before I start on the next strand here. So when you do it, it's gonna look like this. Turns out really, really straight. And she already got her hair cut by my mom about a week ago, 2 weeks ago. So she won't need another trim for another like 4 weeks. But let me just show y'all how this works. All right, so after just 10 to 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. Like I said, with that heat protected on it. It doesn't allow you to really flat iron, like, you know, close to your scalp, and that is okay, especially because she's only 9. We just wanted to kind of like just re-straighten it. All right, y'all, still waiting on this table to come through UPS, even though I ordered it off Amazon. I guess because it's a little larger, I gotta wait. So I just heated up some spaghetti for lunch. I love my Parmesan cheese, shoot. All right, y'all, UPS just pulled up. I'm not sure if they're bringing my stuff over here or not, but I need my desk so that I can get started and clean up that area. That area, yes. So Charles is supposed to have his best friend over tonight, and I want to make sure that my area looks neat. All this Christmas stuff is put up by the time he comes, and my dishes are done. So hopefully they come on. All right, y'all, so plain and simple, it's 32 inch. It's just a regular little computer desk. I'm gonna get ready to put this up. The link will be in my description box down below. But first I'm gonna finish my little spaghetti, get my daughter some food, and then do it. All right, I'm gonna flip it over, show y'all what the new table looks like. It's literally easy. It comes in 3 different sizes. So this is the 32-inch, and they also have a 42-inch, and I think it was like 37 and 40 something. But anyways, this is enough space for me. It's enough space for my computer, laptop, and then whatever else I feel like putting up here. Y'all, I don't know if it's just me, but this looks like a cold winter day. And as a matter of fact, I think it's raining. Or is that snow? Y'all, I was just literally sitting up here looking outside like, man, it feels like it's a real winter day, because first of all, it's 43 degrees here. It feels like 30. So that is below freezing average. Then all of a sudden, it just started snowing out of nowhere, right? And then 2 minutes later, now here comes the sun back out and it stops. Literally. Still snowing a little bit, but there's the sun. Anyways, I got the table set up, the desk set up. I just now have to move this stuff out of the way so that I can figure out how I want to do this. So anyways, let me do that. And I'll just check in with y'all when I'm done. And like I said, if you like the desk, plain and simple, link is in the description box down below. Literally blowing winds all day long since like maybe 2 hours ago. This is like the second time that it's been snowing. It is 45 outside, feels like 30 still. And all you hear is the wind. All right, y'all, so let me show you the progress that I have this far. So this is the progress that I have this far. Because I don't have the shelf, it's really concerning me that I don't know what else to put where. So until I get the shelf tomorrow, I'm actually just gonna leave it the way it is. Anything that can't fit on the desk, you know, or whatever, it's just gonna hang out. It's just gonna hang out in Cam's room, because he's gone for the weekend over to my grandparents' house, and I want to be able to just, you know, have Charles's brother or best friend enjoy being able to sit closer to us and not at our kitchen table. Like normally we sit over here and then he sits over at the kitchen table. It's just too much. So like I said, being able to get him to come over here, and then like I said, having things just cleaned up by the time he gets here. So because it kind of snowed off and on earlier, I do think that it will do something this weekend. We're supposed to get 4 to 7 inches, and I really need to just run to the grocery store. I have everything that I need in order to make a chicken pot pie. So I do want to do that. I also want to make some chicken and dumplings, so I need to grab the material for that. And then I'm telling you, like, fixing dinner ideas is really, it's really getting there for me. Like, it's the same old pizza, peanut butter and jelly, ham sandwiches, blah, blah, blah. Like, and then when you think outside the box, you're like, why did I buy all the stuff for this when everybody's not eating it? Or nobody's eating leftovers. We've had meatballs twice in the last week or two. I don't know. Everybody's just eating the same old. cafeteria. Bet you that place is closed. Wonder what they got in there. That's how we're gonna. People must really think it's gonna snow. Ooh, let me get my little coach purse up in here. Y'all, it is so freaking cold out here. I don't even remember what the weather just said to me. All I seen was the feel like 20 degrees. Woo! So, I got everything I needed, I think. Honestly, I don't think I got enough biscuits. But you know what? Right now, I don't even care. My car says ice possible, drive with care. Says that it's 35 out here, feels like 20. Yo, I just know it's time to go home. Time to go home. Y'all, I went and read the weather app. 32 feels like 20. That means that the wind is causing it to be 12 degrees less. Good thing I live a good 3-4 minute drive away from Food Line. Cause this ain't it. But I'm gonna get ready to go home and fix some chicken pot pie because it is just way too late to try to get chicken and dumplings going in the crock pot. So I'll put that on, I guess, for tomorrow since all weekend is supposed to be cold. And as you guys can tell, you can't see me. So I'll check back in with y'all once I get home to show y'all the grocery haul. All right, so I got some baby cut carrots for 99 cents, $1.29 thing of celery, and then I also got $1 green onions. Sky picked up some of this boom chicka pop sweet and salty kettle corn, which was $2.99. And then we got cup noodles with shrimp, and then cup noodles beef flavor. So we got 3 of those, and then 3 of the shrimp ones. They were 2 for $1. 3 different packages of chicken breasts, so each one has 2 in there. They were roughly about $4 to $5 each. And then, so that's like a total of like what, $14, $15. Then for 79 cents, we got the ramen noodle soup. This is the roast chicken one, so I got each of us one for tomorrow. A block of cream cheese for $1.99. Crab, classic imitation crab, leg style that I'm gonna try to make some wontons. And then they have better with cheddar, double cheddar, and this was like $4.79. Then we have $4.39. This MVP price was $3.51. I have no idea what I planned on making with that. I just bought it. And then 2 of the Michelinas 5-cheese ziti TV dinners picked up by Sky. 3 cans of jumbo biscuits, butter, 1 Sprite. This is 1 liter, so half of it. And then we got the teeny tiny tomatoes and the Haribo gummy bears. Then we also have sausage gravy. This is Libby's. And then Tostitos salsa because, well, this is queso, but I also have salsa. And then I picked up some garlic powder because I was running out, parsley because I was running out, and paprika. I also got a thing of sweet and sour sauce. This is just to try with the wontons that I said I want to make. Needed some cooking spray, so I got that. 3 cans of the cream of chicken soup. These were like $1 or something a piece, like $1.19, $1.09. On closeout, they had the Duplin Pina Colada. So as you guys can see here, $10.80 for it when it originally went for $20. I got the 2 liter Sprite, and then I got a thing of chicken broth. And then now Food Line makes these luncheon loaves, so I just went ahead and got this. This is basically Spam. It's just the off-brand. And then I got the Post Fruity Pebbles, a gallon of whole milk, Nutella Be Ready, crispy wafers that are filled with Nutella, hazelnut spread with cocoa, And these were buy two, get one free. So I picked one out for each of the kids and then picked one out for Chuck. So we have the Disney Stitch fruit flavored snacks. These are new. And then we got the SpongeBob ones. And then we got the Gushers that have the tropical and strawberry. So that's it. Forgot that I got some bread and some ham, hot dog on. All right, y'all, so I didn't get to make my chicken pot pie until almost 8 o'clock at night. The men had a really good time in the kitchen, laughing and giggling, eating seafood. Meanwhile, I had to prep up my chicken pot pie for myself to eat because Sky ate seafood with Chuck. I am actually ready to call it a night after putting the desk together and having to go to the grocery store in 20-degree weather and, of course, maintaining my household. Catch you guys in the next vlog.